Welcome to another episode of Health Basket. Now, diet is one of the most important factors for a healthy and glowing skin. It's extremely important to consume green leafy vegetables rich in antioxidants. You also need to take fruits which contain vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin E, which is present in avocados and nuts, is also extremely important, and it's a good antioxidant which helps the collagen layer of the skin. You also need to take in other antioxidants such as flavonoids and from grapeseed extracts and other pomegranate seeds, all the other fruits which have a good amount of antioxidants. Now, staying hydrated is also very important. Drinking a lot of water, at least 2 liters per day, is very important, especially in summer months. So please consume a good healthy diet. Also, the most important thing is reducing sugar in your diet. So when you take a lot of sugar, there's something called as advanced glycation end products that are formed. Now that accumulates in the skin and can cause faster aging of the skin. So a reduced sugar diet rich in antioxidants and vitamins and good amount of water is good for your skin.
Health tips for healthy life. For more such health tips from our senior doctors, subscribe to Health Basket YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Stay connected to us through our social platform. Protect yourself from the COVID-19 pandemic by building your immune system. Let us join hands to make the world healthy.